Welcome back. Today we have an interesting project, a V10 M6. Customer complained that it's not selecting gears, it's doing funny things while driving, and eventually the car just stopped selecting gear as a whole. We had Jason, the old grey, working inside the car, going through the module, scanning the car, and it's just giving us lots and lots of inconsistent errors. So eventually they decided to pull the gearbox down and come and have a look what we found. So this is what happens when cars get a little bit old. This wiring, as you can see here, all the protective sheeting over it has gotten hot and eventually became brittle. So if I touch this, you'll see it just snaps into little pieces here. So here's the source of our problem. Now, how do we fix this? So our first thought was, let's just order one of these wiring harnesses. And unfortunately, due to A, the age of the car, and B, that we're in South Africa, this is not available for us, and we don't believe that they manufacture it anymore. We did get an old price on it, around 36,000 Rand, just for this little wiring harness. By the way, this is the harness for the gear selection module. So since we're stuck and we can't get a new one, and the old ones are pretty rare, what we decided to do is just replace the wiring. This is going to take a lot of fine work. Luckily, Jason has very, very steady hands. This is Cat 6E cable, normally used for networking cable, but it's the perfect length, perfect width, and also very good wiring to use. So the brains will now start and strip these wires out one by one, solder this new harness onto here, pin the plug out for us on the other end, and in theory, this should solve our problem. So let's let the guys get to work. So it works. Let's have a look here. On the dash, we're in drive, neutral, and let's see if the car actually moves. There we go. And then reverse. Very nice. Thumbs up, success. Sometimes putting a little bit of elbow grease in and fixing wiring can save us a lot of money. Remember to like and subscribe if you love this content, and if you have any other questions, feel free to pop us a comment.